Alright, let's be honest, a good mouse can make or break your laptop experience. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or just trying to survive back-to-back Zoom calls, the right mouse changes everything. And in 2025, we've got some seriously impressive contenders from lightning-fast gaming beasts to sleek, travel-friendly workhorses. So today, we're ranking the best mice for laptops in 2025 in a tier list format. Let's jump in, starting with a wired legend that still refuses to quit. Kicking off the list with a classic, the Logitech G203 wired gaming mouse. This one's proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get something smooth, reliable, and responsive. We're talking 8,000 DPI precision, 6 programmable buttons, and that signature LightSync RGB glow that can sync with your screen, games, or even music. In real-world use, the G203 feels snappy, ideal for people who love gaming on their laptops but don't want the complexity of a wireless setup. It's light, clicks feel crisp, and there's practically zero input lag. Of course, being wired means portability takes a small hit, but for those who work or game at a desk, it's rock solid. Think of it as that old-school reliable friend who just works every single time you plug it in. If you're on a budget and just want a no-fuss, plug-and-play mouse that performs, the G203 easily earns its spot in Tier B. Alright, now things start getting exciting. Meet the Keychron M6 wireless gaming mouse. Keychron may be famous for keyboards, but they're coming for the mouse game hard. This thing is lightweight, ergonomic, and runs on a PixArt 3395 optical sensor with a crazy 26,000 DPI. That's esports level precision in a compact, laptop-friendly design. It supports 3 connection modes, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C wired. That means you can pair it with your laptop, desktop, or even an iPad, and switch instantly. In hand, it feels surprisingly premium. The matte finish gives a good grip, the clicks are tactile, and the customizable macro button on top adds flexibility, especially for creators or gamers who love shortcuts. The only catch? It's tuned for speed and response, not cushy comfort, so after long editing sessions, you might feel that lightweight edge. For multitaskers or gamers who love versatility and speed, the Keychron M6 lands comfortably in Tier A, pure precision, without breaking the bank. Next up, something built for long hours, smart workflows, and clean setups. Say hello to the Razer Pro Click V2 vertical wireless mouse. First impression? This thing looks like productivity. The vertical ergonomic design immediately sets it apart. It's not your usual flat mouse. Your wrist sits at a natural angle, reducing tension and fatigue. And trust me, once you get used to it, it's hard to go back. Razer added 6 easy access buttons, a precise 30K optical sensor, and that signature chroma RGB glow, but in a classy, professional way, not full gamer neon. The real magic, though, is in its multi-device connectivity. You can pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, or use 2.4 GHz wireless for ultra-low latency. There's also USB-C wired mode for when you forget to charge. And speaking of battery, this thing runs for weeks on a single charge. It's like the Tesla of mice. If your days mix spreadsheets, emails, and a bit of AI prompt tinkering, the Razer Pro Click V2 earns an easy Tier A+ for comfort and multi-device mastery. Now let's step into elite territory, the Razer Cobra Pro wireless gaming mouse. This is the mouse for laptop users who want zero compromises. With a 30K optical sensor, Gen 3 optical switches, and 10 fully customizable controls, it's built for precision and power. The tri-mode connection, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz, and USB-C means you can jump from your laptop to your PC to your Steam Deck in seconds. During our tests, the Cobra Pro felt like silk on a mousepad. The clicks? Lightning fast. The weight? Perfectly balanced. And here's the kicker, up to 170 hours of battery life if you keep the RGB lighting low. Yes, it's pricey, but it delivers. Whether you're gaming, editing, or working, this mouse adapts instantly. And of course, the chroma RGB lighting gives it that premium Razer flair. You can make it glow any color you want, from electric blue to subtle white. If you want the ultimate one mouse to rule them all, the Razer Cobra Pro sits comfortably in Tier S, sleek, deadly, and unstoppable. And finally, the king of portability and productivity, the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S. This little powerhouse is the definition of go anywhere, do anything. At just a few ounces, it's compact enough to slip in your laptop sleeve, but powerful enough to handle 4K displays, photo editing, and heavy multitasking. With 8,000 DPI any surface tracking, you can literally use it on glass. I tested it on a cafe window just to check, and yep, it worked flawlessly. It connects via Bluetooth or Logibolt, supports multi-device pairing, up to 3 devices, and charges via USB-C. A single charge lasts up to 70 days, and a 1-minute quick charge gives you 3 hours of use. The quiet clicks are perfect for office or travel, and the mag speed scroll wheel is one of the smoothest you'll ever feel. You can fly through a document or scroll line by line with pinpoint precision. Honestly, for people working between laptops, tablets, and desktops, this is the mouse that just makes life easier. If you're always on the go and want a portable productivity beast, the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S earns a perfect tier S. So, which one's your pick? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more gadget deep dives every week.